I don't know the fear, but they don't know say plenty day here. Oh, that's so beautiful. See, I'm going to go bumpy, and I'm going to say, "Membra, and yes, I do. Do breakfast."
This is the on farm.
Obet me, mama. So, be there. A snapper.
This is the on farm.
My mom be. If you met me, you'll be a man.
But you know, on our tradition, we believe say if you give them like this, it bring blessings.
Of course. That's what I'm saying. If God feeds these birds, why can't He do your bidding for you? Yeah, that's how it works. Right now, this is I don't mean harm. Like, I'm God sent. I don't want to eat them. I just love birds. I wish say one go get vim then can't stand my hand inside chop. Oh wow. Are you scared them, man? How the tissue fall? Come get this. Who can get this? Who's bold? Who's gonna be bold? Come get it. Awesome. Oh, Charlie. See, they clear the floor. All right. I hear you. You see, they say thank you.
For your body. You form them.
Yeah. They say thank you. I hear you. Yeah, man. My main man, Pablo, the Escobar. Yeah, man. Oh, my light's there on. I don't know, Seth. Respect every time. Increase love and nature. That's right.